up, guys? Revelations here. So today we're doing a little challenge video. We're gonna each have 35 bucks to spend. What do you want? AutoZone or O'Reillys?
So we can flip a coin.
Yeah, let's flip a coin. We're gonna use the Starlight remote. So we'll do this side AutoZone, this side O'Reillys. You'll flip it.
O'Reillys, AutoZone.
Yep. Fuck, I forgot which one it was. So he has AutoZone, I have O'Reillys. So we're gonna go ahead and find something, put it on our card, and then we're gonna get a judge to judge which one's the best modification.
Alright guys, we're here at AutoZone and we're getting some modifications right now. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna get, but I'll take you guys on a journey to see.
What is Bradley getting?
Alright, so there's some rim trim, which would not be bad at all. Some interior trim. Just trying to make it look, better than it was for $35.
You can get some Barbie
dice?
Yeah.
Yeah, I really could, huh? Got a new mirror. Let's go over here. Here. Yeah, it's definitely interesting.
I think the rule should just, it adds up to 35. You guys can get whatever you want, but I think you should get a new exhaust.
Just
I cannot.
Yeah, he's doing his thing.
I cannot spend 35 bucks on an exhaust. Holy shit.
And there goes Sean.
Sean died.
I was getting Arby's, guys, and I got electrocuted.
Comes
You
back.
get these fenders, or
I was getting fender ports.
Those are not gonna go with the car.
you never know. Might look good. Actually, not. Watch this, guys.
He's thinking.
We're gonna get some tire marker. Gonna make the car stand out. Okay. We're gonna put some tire marker on there.
Valid.
We're gonna
Valid.
do that.
Okay.
And for the last 10 bucks this one. I don't know that yet. But 10 bucks this one.
What are you looking at here? It's like a little pitbull.
Or maybe a little sport emblem. I think that would look nice. Peel and stick installation, there's no problem. Oh god.
No. No. My truck. My truck. My poor truck. My poor truck. No. Just hope it passes. Just hope it passes.
Alright guys, after we just escaped the rainstorm out there, we got the receipt, we got the things, I got the tire marker, got the sport emblem just to, polish it up and make it look nice. And then we spent $35.98.
All right, guys. So we'll see you at the next place, O'Reillys. Just like that, we are at O'Reillys.
No, car.
No, I have like something in mind. Figure it out.
What's Logan getting?
What is Logan getting?
I don't know yet. After walking around the store for about 10 minutes, because I literally could not find something to use. You can see me literally walk up and down the aisles at least 5 times here. But after that, we went ahead and decided to set a 5-minute timer because I was just taking way too long by this point.
5-minute timer right there.
5 minutes. 5 minutes, alright then.
Oh, Logan.
This is about as big as our section gets. So, we're gonna have to go outside the box.
4 minutes.
4 minutes. Dude, this is so difficult. Why is it so difficult?
I mean, you could get bullet holes. Low key. Yeah.
That's it?
Good, how about you?
Good.
Oh, steak from, yeah. No. No, thank you. Thank you. Alright guys, so I got this little vinyl wrap. It's actually pretty sick. I mean, the angles you can look at it, but I have a few places I want to put it. The first main places, all of these little parts, I'm gonna put it on all of these things. There's 4, so there's 1 on each door. And then the other place I want to try to get it is in here. Either here or up there. And then get rid of some of that on there. So those are my main spots I want to try to get it on. First things first, we gotta go ahead and clean it all and get everything prepped and ready to go. So interior detail, spray it on there. Just want to make sure it's nice and clean. And not the film has something to stick to. It's already black, but that'll just give it a little
It'll
more
give it a little more texture.
to it. Wrapping adventure.
It's just a whole wrapping adventure.
Yep. Perfect. So I'm gonna start first things first with these, and then I can use whatever film I have left on the rest, but it should be a perfect size. Perfect size.
Yep.
You can trim off a little here. Look at this little op, bro. Thinking he's gonna win this battle.
Oh, I'm gonna win.
No, you're not.
It's gonna look clean.
Okay. Sounds
Well,
good.
like mine's gonna look
But
better.
He's being a little opera stopper.
But you know, I hope that it looks good because you don't want to fuck up your truck, you know.
Well, you know, I wouldn't ask about what I'm doing. Oh yeah, it's gonna look clean.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna look clean. It's very simple too. Yeah, he has something pretty cool, but it's gonna take him like 5 fucking years to be done. So, alright. Just takes a real steady hand.
Sheesh.
All right, guys. So we're gonna start with this emblem right here. We're gonna put it right here, right below the headlight. I'm gonna stick it on there. It's gonna look really nice. All right, guys. So we're gonna apply some window solution, or it's just soap and water basically, and we're gonna clean this part so it has the best time sticking on there. All right, that's where we're gonna put it. All right, now this is all dried off right here. Press it firmly down, make sure it sticks. There you go. Little sport logo on there. It's pretty small, but you know what? You're gonna drive past it and they're gonna be like, oh, it's sport. All right, so we got the tire marker here, right here. Then we're gonna start on these wheels. We're gonna take the hubcaps off them, take them off the car. We're gonna jack it up, and then we're gonna work on them, clean it up a little bit because they are dirty. We're just gonna trace the outlines, make it look really clean. And that's what we're gonna do.
Damn.
All right, we gotta take off the hubcaps. Just like that, boom. And then gotta get it off. Just a couple lug nuts. It's easy. All right, guys, so we're gonna clean the wheel first. We have some hot shine foam. We're just gonna spray on the tire, get it cleaned up before we start, marking it up. All right, once we get that part, we can start marking it. And this is gonna be a tedious project, but let's get it.
Back's already done for that side. Now I'm onto this one. Here's the last one. Just gotta tuck it in. Then we'll go ahead and spray them all again. Go. Just like that. Well, you're done. That's the update.
Hey, you can have the charger
It's a little
Yeah, it's a little rough.
it's a little rough. I mean, from all the way up here, it doesn't look too bad. So it's pretty dope. Pretty dope.
We got done with the car. Each wheel took me about like 25 minutes. Got that white marker on it. Got it looking really nice. Polished the wheel a little bit. I was driving on it, but that's what they look like. Then I put this sport badge on there just for shits and giggles. But it's right there. You know, just a little something.
Y'all go ahead and drop in the comments which one do you think is better. Honestly, I thought I was gonna win this challenge, but his looks actually dope as fuck.
Let us know if you guys want us to continue the series. We're thinking about doubling it every time we do this challenge. So next time it'd be $78 a piece, and then we're just gonna keep adding mods on these cars. So just let us know.
And if you guys want us to do it at like different stores, like this time was O Reillys and AutoZone. If you want us to go to like Car Toys versus Best Buy or just any store, honestly, we'll find some type of modification to do. Like Bradley said, we'll double the price.
Yep.
And if you guys want this to be a series, we'll just continue to double the price until about $10,000. Then we'll start getting into those crazy mods. But you guys need to go ahead and subscribe so we can get to that stage. And so go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and go ahead and leave a comment. We'll see you guys in the next one. Sorry to stop the video at the very end, but we are starting a podcast channel. We're going to have podcasts in this room. Don't worry. This room's going to transform and look way cooler later on in the future. But pretty much we're just going to kind of talk about our life, cars, really anything you can think of. We're just kind of going to go for it and have 2 channels going. So we'll have a podcast channel, this channel. And then make sure you guys go follow that Instagram. I'll link it right here. Follow that Instagram. There'll be a number there if you guys want to book any appointments or anything, but make sure you guys go ahead and do that. So if you guys are OGs, when we had this as a fishing channel, we used to do comment of the week. So go ahead and drop a comment down below and you will get featured in the next video. Just say anything. Hey, nice video. Hey, fuck you. It doesn't matter if we like it and we laugh or it's a dope ass comment. We'll go ahead and feature you guys in the next video. So we'll see y'all later.
Peace.